One of our favorite things to do while camping is cook over an open fire. In this video, we share our recipe for easy one-pan chicken and vegetables. All you'll need for this recipe is chicken and vegetables of your choice. Here we're using chicken breast, zucchini, peppers, mushrooms, and potatoes. We start by filleting our chicken breast so that it cooks a little bit faster. From there, cut up your vegetables and place them around the chicken breast in your pan. Toss in a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, rosemary, thyme, and oregano, and mix it all up until all of your vegetables and chicken are nicely covered. From there, you just place it over the campfire and watch it cook. We love this recipe because it is so versatile and easy to make. You can literally swap out your meats and vegetables whenever you want, and even try different seasonings to give it a twist.